Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds JLAB EPIC LAB with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click Enter, and right here at the top click Add Bluetooth for other device. Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. These earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list, but you can also add it manually by press and hold at the both of these touch areas at the same time until you will hear a voice prompt. And it's set ready to pair, so we should see it at the device list. Click on it and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!